Hello everyone. Recently I have modified my soldering table to have more functionality, more movement because this used to be just turning around, but then sometimes you need the component to be exactly under the microscope, and for that you have to move the whole table. When the component is here, you can't just turn it turns somewhere here around, and you have to always move your table to have the component under the microscope. But now I have added these sliders to have it moving in all directions. So now I can move it like this everywhere I need. I can turn it, I can move it. So one plate moves like that, another plate moves like that, and it turns around like this. So then I can have a component. Let's say this is a component somewhere here. So I can, whenever I need soldered this side or the other side, I can move it like this, and it's in the center easily, to whatever position I like. Yeah, that's very convenient, and it's not moving as easily. I mean, it's moving easily, but it's not moving by itself. And when you solder, you just put your hand here and you hold the whole thing, and soldering is very, very convenient. Yeah, that's it. It's my improved design. Thanks for watching.